Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about first OLED gaming monitor with 720Hz refresh rate. So friends, today I will talk about SDC. Means Super Display Company is unveiled the new flash 540 meta name is translated OLED gaming display boasting an extreme 720Hz refresh rate in something called special mode and built around LG display 4th generation OLED panel with primary RGB tandem technology. This 26.5-inch monitor with resolution of 2560 into 1440 pixel with top tier motion clarity with 0.03 millisecond response time, and out of the box the monitor support 540 Hz refresh rate with a special 720 Hz mode aimed to competitive gaming and the peak brightness of 1500 nits and with 99.5% of DCI-P3 color coverage and HDR TB 500 certification, and it also brings impressive static content ratio of 1.5 million to 1 and anti-glare coating with just 2% reflectivity and disappointing specification in display connector instead of new DisplayPort 2.1 or HDMI 2.2. SDC monitoring input include DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.1, and user online have already noted that running 1440p at 720 Hz will require DSC compression and carefully optimizing timing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.